Welcome to our channel. If you need to cancel your Google Workspace subscription and close your business account, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure proper cancellation. Step 1. Sign in to your Google Workspace admin console at admin.google.com using your administrator account credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the billing section from the main menu or dashboard. Step 3. Click on Subscriptions to view your current Google Workspace subscription details. Step 4. Locate your active Google Workspace subscription and click on it to access subscription management options. Step 5. Look for the Cancel Subscription option and click on it to begin the cancellation process. Step 6. Google will inform you about what happens when you cancel, including data retention policies. Read this information carefully. Step 7. Select a reason for cancellation from the provided options if prompted, or skip if optional. Step 8. Confirm that you want to proceed with cancellation by following all on-screen prompts. Your subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing period. Step 9. Download any important data from Google Drive, Gmail, and other services before your access expires. Check your email for cancellation confirmation and verify that automatic renewal has been disabled. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.